Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Life with Christine C. On today's video, we're going to be doing a review. I haven't done one in a while, but I'm excited to do this review. If you look to the front right here, you're going to see this flower bouquet I got for my birthday. There's also some balloons up here. I'll insert a picture of that. My parents got me this lovely bouquet for my birthday. I also received this vanilla birch from one of my friends here that's also on work travel. So I just wanted to show those two things. Then we're going to be doing a review of the, sorry guys, a review of the Teami blends items. Okay, so let's get started. So, as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. TeamiBlends.com. I did use a code to get my items. It comes with your receipt. I got the Superfood greens. The cup and refresh tea. So the Teami refresh was actually free if you, it was free. You put in a code and it gave you this free. So I can't wait to taste that. I got some bubble wrap. It's nicely wrapped, guys. So they had this at the top, so wouldn't get damaged. And we have these Superfood blends on the days that I don't eat any vegetables. And I got the white one. It does come in about 8 colors. Some of them aren't available right now, but yeah. So this cup, which I didn't know, I thought it was just like one of those regular blender cups. It has a leaf strainer, and it has an outer shell and a wrist strap and a storage compartment, and you can use it with either tea or fruit. So that's cool. I really just thought it was a shaker, but it's actually not. So that's where it tells you how to use it. So we're going to twist it open, and it gets open. Hope everybody is having a good, well, today's July. Happy 1st of July. Hope everybody's having a good year so far. So it does come with this pretty like silver wrist strap. There's the Teami blends. Okay, so you have that, and then you twist this off, and there's your tea strainer, which I'm happy about because I thought I was gonna have to use my other tea thing, but this is actually has the tea strainer. So yeah, that's it. And I don't know what goes down here. It's very, very, very sturdy. It's very thick. I don't know if you can tell. So I'm going to wash this, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to do the scoops of this, and I'm going to taste it. Okay guys, see you in a little while. So I took off the lid, and it says you can water, juice, smoothie, porridge. So you can eat it straight. You can put it in water, which I'm gonna do, juice, or you can put it in a smoothie mix. So 16 superfood ingredients. And those are the ingredients. Okay, so I don't have my scooper here on my work travel in my work travel room. So let's see, does it have any recommended? Let me see. Doesn't give me any direction, so I'm just gonna put 1 scoop because this is a big spoon. I'm just gonna put that much. I'll put a little bit more. So that is what I did. Remove the mesh strainer. Oh God, sorry guys. I'm gonna shake it like this. I'm gonna make sure it's so it looks blended, right? So now I'm gonna taste it. Excuse my appearance, but I am packing to go back home for 4th of July weekend, and I'll be getting my hair done when I go there. So we're just gonna try this now. This is a 20-ounce cup. I have about maybe 11 ounces in there. It's not bad. It definitely, you can taste that you're drinking spinach, kale. You can definitely taste it in here. So this is definitely a real superfood blends. If you need your green intake, you should get this. And if you don't like it with water or anything, I would recommend mixing it with a juice or something. But it definitely has that superfood, those greens in it. Matcha, wheatgrass, all of that. So if you want to try it, I'll have some links for some codes below. I don't have a code, but I'll have some links for some codes. I'll see if the refresh tea is still on sale. So guys, I just want to show y'all that's what it looks like. And also, shoot, be careful when you're screwing the lid on because I just crap.
Operator error. Operator error.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, be careful when you're doing that, so don't spill it like I just did. This bottom area, let me close this lid. This bottom area is for storage, so if you want to put another scoop of this in there, you can, or if you want to put a scoop of your tea in there, you can. So that is a cute little compartment that it comes with, and it just screws back on like that. So like I said, this is a very sturdy cup. I didn't think it was going to be like this, but it's very thick, very sturdy. So guys, that is my review of that. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time for my next review or my budgeting videos or my vlogs. Bye guys.